Style my hair with me using the newly upgraded Bombay Hair 3-in-1 Thermal Round Brush, now with titanium barrels just like those for smoother styling, faster heat up, and longer lasting results. For the style that I did today, I used the medium size barrel. If you've been following me for a while, you know that this brush is my all-in-one solution for smooth, voluminous hair. You don't need a hairdryer, you don't need to be juggling multiple tools, just one tool with frizz-free results every single time. You can use it to add volume and smoothness from the root to the tip, create soft curls, blowout bends, touch-up waves. You can even tame frizz and refresh second-day hair. And the best part, it cuts your styling time in half. I always grab my thermal round brush to style my hair when I'm in a hurry because it literally takes less than 10 minutes to get results like these. The new titanium barrels allow for your hair to glide so smoothly you never have to worry about it getting stuck ever again. All I do at the end is put some hair oil in, scrunch it, place it where I want it, and look at those results every single time. I love this brush.